Good day traders, welcome to the 27th of August 2014 market review. The trade for today is Exxaro. The code is EXX. Last traded price was 147 Rand. The action here is a sell, a short sell. Means you're trying to sell it from the high to the low. Entry level will be 147 Rand 98. Your stop loss level will be 151 Rand. The dotted blue line will be your entry level of 147.98 and your target approximately 141 Rand 94. Looking at the current open trades on the market, in regards to the newsletter, Vodacom, CFR, Mondi, SAB Miller, RMH and AGL. Completed trades, yesterday was African Rainbow Minerals. Looking at the top 40 index, the blue line indicates that's currently trading above the 5-day moving average, that's the dotted grey line, and above the solid 20-day moving average at this moment. Looking at the industrials, that is the Dow Jones. They closed last night approximately 29 points positive on a level of 17,106 points. It's close to the black line here. Testing previous highs. The S&P 500 also closed above the 2000 levels and tested it last night a lot, especially on movements going up. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 index. It's going up here in a bit of a channel. This is a sideways movement. Your big lows to be tested is 45,837 points. And the current high it's testing here on the top here, 1, 2, 3 points is about 46,400. Currently trading just underneath that level, and we can expect a bit of a directionless market that seems to be a bit of sideways, unsure where it can go. Looking at the Dow Jones, they're about 7 points higher. Looking at some shares in the market, Shoprite started to move up here. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, started to move up nicely here, trading at 144.74. Looking at your indicators, also trying to test this minus 80 to break up here. Stochastics also needs to break this 20 points percentage up here, and the RSI also leaped through the 50. So it's a very conservative movement happening here. Need to track it closely for more breakup systems to happen here. Mr. Price. Mr. Price testing the previous highs here, did very well yesterday, moving up in this channel, testing previous highs on a level of 206 Rand and 86. That's a new high on this specific share. Looking at Woolies, take note, the 28th, that is tomorrow, they will bring out the earnings results. Currently trading this small downward channel between the green and the purple of the Bollinger Bands. Needs to break this 80 Rand if you want to see higher movements. Now MPC's Mr. Price are also bringing out results tomorrow, earnings results with Woolies early in trade. Looking at your banking shares, downward channel for Barclays, broke through the middle and the top red line on resistance, going higher. Next high of expectation could be close to the 172 Rand, currently trading at 170 Rand. Standard Bank, still losing a bit of momentum, going nowhere. It's like lagging with the other banking shares like Opso at this moment. MTN. Now MTN went up, came down. Take note of this high, this low, this high. So at any time, if it breaks this high, breakup could happen. Break this low, you could actually go downfall in this market here. Looking at your indicators, tested at minus 20 and didn't break down, bounced up from it as well there. Looking at your RSI, close to the 70 as well, not a confirmation as yet for a big downward movement. Looking at stochastic starting to lag on this momentum at the end of the day. Vodacom. Now Vodacom is currently trading a lot here to the 151, 150s at this moment, losing a bit of momentum as well. Indicators could be quite toppish at this moment, so we need to see if this is going to be a breakup. It doesn't follow MTN at all at this stage. Imperial, take note, Imperial is also bringing out results, earnings results later this week. So take note, between the green and the purple, we need to see if this is going to be a breakup through the 196 levels back to the 201 levels, or will it continue breaking the 196 and go back to the 189 levels. Indicators are in the middle here, so it's unsure where the direction could be. Look at your RSI as well. No big direction. Kumba. Now Kumba's lost a lot of momentum, still in the sideways movement, going nowhere at this moment for a breakup or a breakdown, so it's losing direction in the short term. It's going to be an interesting week this, especially with Ukraine and Russia. Didn't come to any agreement to do any ceasefire at this moment or make peace. European markets and the euros under strain as well from the European Central Bank, so there's going to be a lot of news making this market volatile in the short term. Traders, enjoy trading.